Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Lambda for data processing with secure permissions. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service in the console. Click on the Create Function button. Select Author from scratch. Enter a name for your Lambda function. Choose the runtime environment that matches your code, such as Node.js or Python. Scroll down to the Permissions section. Under Execution Role, select Create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. This creates a new IAM role for your Lambda function. After your function is created, navigate to the IAM console. In the IAM dashboard, locate the newly created role. Click on the role to view its permissions. To add specific permissions, click on the Attach Policies button. Search for the policies you need, such as the Amazon S3 Read Access policy. Select the appropriate policy and click the Attach Policy button. Next, return to the Lambda function dashboard. Locate the function code section. Here, you can upload your code or edit it inline. Make sure to include any necessary libraries for your data processing. In your code, add logic to handle authentication. Use the AWS SDK to make calls to other AWS services securely. Ensure that your function is handling permissions carefully by using roles. Scroll back to the top and click the Deploy button to save your changes. Now, navigate to the API Gateway service in the console. Click on Create API to set up a new API. Choose HTTP API for simpler integration with Lambda. Input the necessary settings and click Next. Add a route for your data processing endpoint. Set the integration type to Lambda function. Select the Lambda function you just created. Deploy your API by clicking the Deploy button. Once deployment is complete, you will receive an endpoint URL. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.